Vlogception, whatever.
Look at this, vlogception. Kara thinks this park is crappy. Look at this park. It looks freaking awesome. If I was like 4-year-old, I'd be peeing my pants right now how excited this looks.
Well, I'm not a 4-year-old, so how are you?
Listen. Ooh, dog.
Dog.
Somewhere over there. I don't think I can see it on camera. Oh shoot, I turned off my thing. No, I didn't. Hey, it's still going. I'm such a professional. I wish I got that on camera. I'm so mad at myself. It's a slide, Kara. It has to.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna go down it. Alright. Go. Go. Just go. You're like gradually holding onto the side.
Yeah, a little bit.
No. This one doesn't look fun. This one looks, actually this one's really steep. That's what Kara looks like when she tries to get up a slide, guys. Whee! Ow! That freaking hurts. Oh wait, there's like these things. This place is awesome. I don't know what you're talking about. Somebody left their glasses there.
What?
Their glasses. There's probably those kids over there. Is this what that is?
I have no idea. I don't think you're supposed to be on it.
I don't care.
But it's a play toy.
Yeah. Why do they have it here for little kids if they don't want them to get hurt? See, those little kids are doing it. Those little kids are more manlier than you.
I don't know.
Somebody's so bitter. You're bitter.
What?
Kara's ball game.
What?
I'm on a dolphin.
She's on a dolphin.
This is how people actually ride dolphins, apparently. My butt burns.
You want to go on the gay rainbow?
The what?
The gay rainbow.
Is it literally called the gay rainbow, or are you just being sexist? Or homophobic? Homophobic.
No, it's literally the gay rainbow.
That's what it's called? This is the gay rainbow? That doesn't look like a gay rainbow. I was expecting unicorns. Gosh, there's so many people at that burger place that you see it's crap. Yeah, what is wrong with it?
The burgers are dry and...
Look at an eagle. Rainbow. Why is there leaves?
I don't know.
What are these?
They're just painted right now.
Why? What's the point of it?
I don't know. Go across.
And she skips across the gay rainbow. She skips across the gay rainbow. Oh God. Oh, your phone case. It's perfect. I'm having all the fun.
Your video's gonna have the black lines.
Yeah, I know. Poor black lines.
Hey!
Weirdo. I officially hate it.
Hey Megan, can we crawl under here? Let's try. Oh, there's an entrance.
Yeah, there's an entrance, Kara. Did you not see it? Oh. What are you doing?
I don't know. You're like, what was that?
I don't think you guys can see anything. My hand's shaking too.
Oh, there's a plane. You can see the plane.
What?
Look up.
Where? Look up where, Kara?
Well, do you see it with your eyes?
No. Oh, now I do. Wait. Up there. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. I don't think they can see. Oh well. It's not gonna make a difference. Never officially made an intro to this vlog. Kara!
What?
Come here.
I'm up here. Hey, you see my leg?
Gunner,
Yep.
come on. Gunner.
So, where are we?
Where are
Yeah.
we? In Carpinteria.
Gunner.
Carpinteria? No, the park.
Gunner.
Oh,
This park doesn't have a name.
we're just gonna call it the Gay Rainbow Park.
Yeah, there's a game rainbow.
Yep, I filmed that.
We're going back.
I have blue hair.
We're on
Yeah,
the
she does.
plate.
I have no blue hair. That's okay.
But she's
I
going
got
down.
fairy tale. That's all that matters.
Sleeping with Sirens.
Let's go back.
Dr. Who?
Doctor, yeah, she's like all
maybe when
decked
your
out.
mom and dad come home.
I'm decked out.
You decked out. You got blue hair. You got Doctor Who. You got Pierce. I mean, Sleeping with Sirens.
Get my band straight, girl.
No.
But I also have a Pierce shirt, so it's fine.
Go in the pool.
Yeah, I know. Were you wearing that yesterday?
Yep.
That's why. All I got is fairy tale. That's okay. That's all I need. What are we gonna do now?
Pizza or tacos? What do you want to go eat? And then we can have frozen yogurt afterwards if you want to.
Pizza.
Pizza.
I made a decision.
You did! Congratulations! Woo! She's looking at me.
We're gonna go get pizza, and then.
Are you hungry right now?
Oh, what are we gonna do?
Well, if you're hungry right now, we can go get pizza. But if you're not, then we'll go on.
What are we gonna do right now?
Oh, we're gonna walk the rest of London because we walked on this side. Now we're gonna walk on this side.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Where are we, Kara?
We're at a pizza place and we look like we're mamas, so nobody wanted to help us.
Yeah.
And then that guy from was like, okay, what do you want to order?
I got sneeze, but I can't.
And then you just did.
Okay.
They have Fast and Furious.
Oh yeah, they have arcades over there. Okay, that lady that I just filmed over there, that's next to the salad bar, she looked at us really weird when we were walking by. It was so awkward, and I like slightly made contact with her, and then she gave us this disturbing stare. Like she looked at us like,
Is the sweet tea good?
oh yeah, it's really good. I haven't had sweet tea for a very long time.
And then I have raspberry.
Am I filming myself correctly?
Yes.
Okay.
Vlog.
Yeah. Hey, we got our pizza.
I have to send my mom a photo because my mom.
Yep, we got our pizza and drinks. What? Oh.
That's option. We have pizza now.
Yay. All of the employees are looking at us weird. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Bye. Kara is a very happy camper.
I am. Oh my goodness. We went to a thrift store and there was a Sleeping with Sirens shirt. Okay. It was okay. It was.
Wait, don't get run over. Gotta press the button first, and then you can hear her awesome story.
It was $2. $2 because it was 25% off. It was $2, and it's a Sleeping with Sirens shirt, and I'm super ecstatic that I found one. And oh my goodness!
Home now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not in my shot.
I found a Sleeping with Sirens shirt.
She's so excited about that. Weirdo. Yay. We're back. And Kara's eating candy.
Hi. Mom's getting home in 30 minutes. So we're gonna wait for her to get home, and then we're gonna go to the cliffs.
Yay. That's pretty much all we did today.
Go watch my vlog.
Channel in the link in the description.
Hi.
I know.
Hold up.
Everything has to be perfect for Kara.
Uh-oh. It was too dark to sleep.
Hey. Yay. Okay. Bye.
Alright, hey, candy.
Yay. Candy.
Candy. Oh, hi.
I was waiting for it.
You guys should go subscribe to my real channel. And link in the description, Kara Rose. YouTube.com/KaraRose. The rose, the end, has 3 E's, by the way.
Shameless self-promotion.
Hey. So yeah, there's again the ocean. The ocean's right there. We're on a hike. And I'm really bad at vlogging, but hey.
Did you just cut it off?
No. And Megan's also really bad at vlogging because she has these black lines on the side of her video.
That's not my fault. That's my phone's fault.
Well.
Oh, you're on her phone? Where's yours?
Yeah, in my pocket or in my purse. Oh, you can see one of the boats out there. That little tiny thing, that's a boat. Yeah. Oh, there's 3 boats. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I've never seen that many boats. Here,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats actually. So good picture quality right there. We're in her natural habitat. Look at her go. Look at her go. She's so wild out there. Doesn't even know what's happening. Oh my gosh, she's coming after us! We got here, the what are they called?
The bluffs.
Bluffs. Oh yeah. It's pretty cool. For like Oprah Shore, yes they are. Woo!
So we're on like this little long thing.
It's full of clams. All of that. It looks really cool, but at the same time, oh my gosh.
These are all clams.
We're stepping on them.
Yeah.
Poor babies. We found a stingray. It's dead. Oh. Yeah, it's the eyes. I would laugh so hard at this thing. Oh. Oh, did you just kick it? No. You jerk. Bye-bye, stingray. You're so bitter.
I am not.
She's bitter because I pushed her off a rock. You jerk. Bitter Kara. Get away from me. Why are they all dead?
Because they washed up. Can you take a photo of me like you did on that thing and let me take a picture of you with it?
Why?
Because it's graffiti.
I found a rainbow thingy. It looks so cool.
It's full of oil.
Yeah, but it looks cool. It's not black, it's rainbow. Hi.
Hi.
We're leaving.
Yeah.
We're leaving.
Tacos.
We're getting tacos.
But they're not regular tacos. They're different tacos. So
Yay, I like weird tacos.
yeah. Hi, Megan.
Hi.
Story fun.
I know. I see it. You're stealing my vlog. You're
There's
blocking
an
my
ocean.
channel.
So I've taken over mini mots or mini vlog, whatever this is going on, and so is my mom. Hi, Mom. And this is now my channel. So Megan's no longer going to be in it.
I mean, you did
But-
make my background, so.
Yeah.